Hello, I'm Annie with Steelmade USA, and I'm so excited because today I get to announce one of the newest products to the Steelmade line, which is the Outdoor Cooking Base. Right now, I always want to cook outside. It's gorgeous weather. The fall in Kansas is just beautiful. And if you've ever wondered if you can take your Steelmade flat top outside, or you knew it couldn't fit into any kind of grill, well, now we have solved that problem with the Outdoor Cooking Base. The base is constructed from 14-gauge American steel, over 2 times thicker than competing cooktops from other manufacturers. The burner is made from 316 marine-grade stainless steel. Steel components and burner feature a lifetime warranty. Hand-oiled finished, is easy to maintain and never cracks or peels. The Outdoor Cooking Base fits our standard or Pro Steelmade flat top, and it connects to a standard 20-pound propane tank. As with all of our Steelmade products, the Outdoor Cooking Base is made here in Kansas using American steel. If you have any questions about this product or any of our Steelmade products, please go to steelmadeusa.com and contact our support team. So check our website and Facebook for updated videos and tips and tricks. Thank you.